to look at symmetry and transformation section 1.7. In this video, we're going to look at h of x, and then we'll look at the other examples in future videos. Okay, so let's take a look at this particular example here. Okay, if we read through it, it says describe how the graph of the function can be obtained from one of the basic graphs, then graph the function. Okay, if we look at this particular example, we could tell it's the absolute value function, which is actually already graphed on our graph paper here. Okay, this is the absolute value function already graphed. Okay, now we're looking at the transformations. We can tell that the 0.5 tells us basically that it's shrunk vertically by a factor of 0.5. So let's start writing that down here. Okay, what that basically tells us is each y value is going to be multiplied by 0.5. For example, let's say y value is 1, it's going to be 0.5 instead. Okay, let's look at the other part now. The other part has this minus 2. What that tells us is going to be shifted 2 units down. Okay, so now let's try to draw a graph of this particular function. Let's start with shifting 2 units down. If we look at this absolute value function, there's the bottom of it, so we're going to go down 2 units right there. So this will be the bottom instead. Okay, so we'll start with that. And now we'll look at the 0.5. The 0.5 tells us it's shrunk vertically by a factor of 0.5. So for example, if I look at my original graph, if I look at this point right here, I could tell if I go over 1, I'm going to go up 1. Instead of going over 1 and up 1, I'm going to go over 1 and up a half instead. The same thing on the other side. Instead of going to the left 1 and up 1, I'm going to go to the left 1 and up a half. Let's look at one more point. Let's look at 2. If we go over 2, we're going to go up 2 on the original graph. So in this case, we're going to go to the right 2 and go up 1 instead. The same thing on the other side. And that gives us a rough sketch of our graph. Okay, we'll continue with the next function in the next video.